Start by cleaning sheath 8 inches each side of the cable damage, using the approved cleaner or wipe provided. Dress damage, ensuring no sharp edges are protruding. Starting and ending 3 inches beyond sheath damage, wrap a single layer of half-lap sealant strip. Do not stretch. Select or cut a piece of sleeving material, meeting edges of sealant strip and overlapping itself at least 1 1/2 inches. Multiple pieces of sealing material may be used as long as 1 1/2 inch overlap is adhered to. Keeping under tension, install sleeving while forming smoothly upon repair wrap. Place the provided cable ties over sealing and hand tighten securely. Space ties approximately 2 inches to match circular marks on the sleeving material. Wrap ties in the same direction as the sleeving was installed. Cable tie tightening tool can be used, but caution taken is not to compress sleeving over 1/8 inch. Ends can be finished by placing 2 half-lap layers of vinyl tape, 2 inches up on the sleeving, down on the bare cable sheet. Should damage include more than 40% of through conductors, strain relief must be installed to restore sheath integrity.